Testing, testing. All right, so my stream cut off, but now we're back in action. So let's get to it. TIRX just resumed and is crashing down. Let's see if we can get that rip back up. So this is what I'm going to be monitoring right now. It could either get halted down, or they could buy up this dip, and we could now. And you can see move to 6. There's a fly in my room. Okay. Talking about BAOS. Let's check out BAOS. Or Lehu apparently is the one that's moving up. All right, Lehu halted up and then coming down. There's a lot of craziness today. But there's a pattern. They're all getting halted and they're all resumed. What does this mean? There's not enough volume for news, but there's not a lot of momentum. So we're gonna tread the waters carefully on this one. I think TRX is still the one that I like to see. LXCH halted again. Yeah, we're gonna stay away from that. TIRX looks like the most sane one right now. I see an ABCD pattern forming. We have the A, B, C, D. Let's see if we can get that rip up. I'm gonna be monitoring this strong rip down. So I'm gonna be monitoring this, see what ends up happening in this area right here. We're gonna see what happens. GDC is about to resume. Pretty sure GDC ran up a couple days ago. Okay, it's halted down, so we're not going to be touching that. Let's make sure my live is good. OBS still streaming at good KBS per second. I believe that's what that means. YouTube, excellent connection. I'm gonna pop out this chat. I have it there in the corner in case anybody text anything. Okay, I like this setup. I like this setup. I'm gonna buy market right there. I like this setup. I like this setup. Entry is at 5.06. Exit would be at, I guess if we come back down here. See how it reacts with this level right here. Whoop. I'm gonna do this dip buying on the 1 minute chart. $100 shares. Next ad would be at around 5.4. I see the nice ABCD pattern forming on the 5 minute. Stop would be right here. 100 shares in. Nice ABCD pattern forming. Nice ABCD pattern forming. Entering at 100 shares at this low, trying to get that retest and break through 5.6. Let's see what we could get. We're climbing up, we're climbing up. Double it down at 5.4, 5.5 for that break. Once it hits 5.5. Okay, and we're in. 200 shares in. Oh. Instant sell. What do we have? Ready to flatten the button out. Is that going to hold? I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm going to flatten out. Flatten out, $36 loss. Huh, that was quick. That was quick. It's okay. I flattened out, $36 loss, stopped out. Maybe this was the selling. That's the thing that I sometimes try to figure out. This play itself was good, but this was the selling area instead of the double down. So sometimes I just have to understand that. But at least I stopped out. I followed my rules. It doesn't mean it's done yet. Okay, it still looks bullish. I want to now that happened, I want to get some formulated pattern, something I can see, something I can look at and be like, okay, this is good. And now we're just gonna be patient. We're just gonna be patient. Let's look at the watch list. Hour flopping through, LXCH halting down. What was the other one? Lehu. Alright, Lehu ripping up, but does not have nearly as much volume as we have here. But I'll keep an eye on it. I think it's halted right now. No, it's not, is it? Yeah, it is. It is halted. This could be a breaker moment right here. Make or break moment right there. I want to get an alert if this is goes above my level right here. I want to get alerted. I want to know. I want to be aware. Alright, Lehu's halted. Resumes in 40 seconds. Should I divert my attention to Lehu or TIRX? Well, I played Lehu off the halt. We have a clear pattern right here. Came up, people bought the dip, pressed it up, and into the halt. Alright, then what I'll do is I'll keep an eye on here on my side, on my watch list. Because I still like TIRX. But I'm going to look at Lehu now. Should be resumed any second now. Alright, should be resumed any second now. Alright, resumed. What do we have? What do we have? Oh, okay, so halted down. Yeah, this shit's done for. Yeah, you're done. You're done. You're done. Yeah, I'm streaming right now. All right, so I'm gonna keep my eyes on TIRX. See what game plan we could get out of here. Okay, I could take off the alert now that it has my full attention. This right here looks interesting. Gonna buy 100 shares there at 5.3. No, I'm not getting filled. Okay, for the fact that it came down here, it held the 9 moving average, and now we're reaching 5.5 level. So now we're gonna see how it reacts here. Okay, looks like it's breaking through. Looks like it's breaking through. Nice. Alright, the 5-minute ABCD pattern is still in effect. I think it might rip through. I'm gonna buy 100 more shares here for the expected breakout of 6. Let's see. Hopefully, I get filled. Alright, I got filled. Not at the best price, but that's okay. Alright, filled through this ascending triangle that we have. Profit target 6.5, 7. I'm going to sell half before we get into the halt. Come on, sell half before I get to the halt. And it didn't sell half before I get to the halt. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, okay, I sold half. Okay, I sold half. Sold half right before we get to the halt. We have a beautiful 5-minute ABCD pattern right here. Very, very smooth ABCD pattern we have right here. I'm still recording. Please tell me I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Okay. And the mic is still good. Mic is still good. All right. Good game plan. I like what I'm seeing. This trade goes our way, we're gonna be good. So yeah, 2 reasons that I was really interested in is, first of all, the 5-minute ABCD pattern. This right here didn't scare me for the fact that it curled right up. This is a common occurrence. And if you see on the 1-minute chart, we could really just see how it kind of came up, came down, came up a little bit more than it really came up here. And once it came down, the deal breaker was the fact that it didn't go all the way down into this previous level, as we see here. This was our low, right? And this low happened to be, this low area happened to be slightly on top of it right there. What does that mean? That shows us that, boom, it is moving up. It is moving up. This, I like to call this a breakout strategy, or the ascending triangle. Even, I got the chills. Even on the 5-minute, we have the on the 5-minute we have the ABCD pattern. I always like trading on the 5-minute. The 5-minute solid, you can have a much easier time trading. So now that we understand how I was able to get that, profit target's at 6, next level 6.5, 7. If we keep ripping, 7.5, and then 8. There's like a little fly just driving me nuts right now. Okay, yeah, so that's the game plan. Upon resumption, I don't have, this is Thinkorswim, so it doesn't tell me at what price is going to be resumed. So as soon as we get like close to resumption, I'll ask somebody in the chat. I'm pretty sure I could do it with Sterling, and which is the new broker I'm going to use through the through my offshore bank. TRX resumption at 10:07. 10:07. Oh, we're live. Oh shit, I didn't even realize. I didn't even realize. The Wi-Fi is so trash here. All right. Looks like a dip and rip. If it reaches 5.5, I'll just flatten out for the break even. I'll admit I was wrong and stop out if it reaches 5.5. We could get the dip and rip. Can't. Oh, okay. I flattened it out. I didn't mean to flatten it out. I thought I was gonna like flatten all. But I flattened it out. I thought. All right, $40 profit day isn't it's good. I think that we're gonna keep on ripping here. I personally think that the 5-minute chart is telling me that yeah, we're gonna keep ripping. Buying at this high, okay. And I'm gonna flatten out here. That's good. Wait, why is my P&L like decrease? Wasn't I at 40 like a minute ago? Alright. Whatever. That was weird. That was very weird. Wait, what the hell just happened there? I bought at 6.8 and sold at 6.7. Oh, because I sold at market. Fuck. So what now? I gotta buy the ask and then join the ask. That's what I have to do. At this point, I'm kind of just scalping the highs. I'm gonna move that. I'm gonna ask, see like if I could get that move to 7.4, and then I'll be happy with that. Nope. Looks like that's not gonna work. If it reaches 6.5, I'll break. Yeah, today's trading day was really all over the place. I think it was more actually market orders. I think my game plan was pretty established and decent. The market orders were just all over the place, and it's so weird. I bought lower and I sold high. Yeah, when I look at the orders, I ended up buying high and selling lower, which is odd. Hmm. Well, I'm relaxed. It's fine. I'll just flatten out if we get the red, take the loss, it, call it a day. But if we could hit that 7.4, I'd be very happy. All right, so we're gonna reach that 7.4, which is that high of day. If we get filled here, we call it a day. Oh, so close. Oh, great. And we got filled $78. $78 paper trading, trading the 5 minute, trading the 5 minute ABCD pattern as we see here. And just like that, $78. I'm like rehearsing because I know I'm gonna like edit this and chop it up later, so I have to get it concise. So $78 paper trading. As we see here, we got the 5 minute ABCD pattern, and off we went. Thank you all for tuning in. Even though it's just paper trading, it's still a win in my books because this is practice for me, and I'm doing good. I'm doing good, and thank you all for watching.